Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create minimal section header bar using custom shape. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas, then select the custom shape tool and choose a thin rectangle shape. Now draw a horizontal bar under the heading. Change fill color to accent tone. Duplicate the bar. Resize the duplicate shorter. Move it slightly below the first bar and lower its opacity to 40%. Add section title text above. Align text and bars properly. Zoom in to refine spacing. Group all related layers. Double click the main bar layer and add soft outer glow. Then press OK. Your